Hello everyone. This presentation is an overview of the shoulder pacemaker technology, including what it is, how it's used, why it's different from other NMES devices, and a review of real-life patient experiences. The shoulder pacemaker was born from the Motion sensor technology that's used to validate treatment and identify normal and abnormal joint function in a quick 5-minute session. The shoulder pacemaker is a wearable electro-stimulator designed for the treatment of shoulder pathologies. What makes it different from other types of stimulation devices is its ability to dynamically interact with the patient during active rehabilitation. The device adapts to the patient's needs rather than the patient having to adapt to the device. When we say the device adapts to the patient, here's what we mean. As you know, traditional muscle stimulators are pre-programmed and operate with preset intervals and frequency. The speed and timing of a user's motion is dictated by this program. The shoulder pacemaker, on the other hand, delivers smart stimulation through a dynamic interaction between the patient and the device. The embedded motion technology recognizes the task and automatically sets the right stimulation intensity. This patented feature helps to restore normal muscle activation patterns and equilibrium. Currently, there are 3 protocols available, and we are in the process of final validation for post-surgical rotator cuff rehabilitation. We will soon have dedicated protocols for multiple sports, including those for volleyball and tennis players, and many more not far behind. We've recently enhanced the ability of the clinician to more closely monitor their patient's activity. Here, you see the scoring system for each exercise, including the amount of time spent on their therapy, the number of goals and activities they've accomplished, the total number of repetitions, the intensity of stimulation, and their range of motion. Here you see the analytics and details of each of the patient's sessions. These charts represent a session's duration, the intensity, and percentage of the recommended range of motion achieved. This never so easily available information is provided to the clinician anywhere, anytime, and we believe is the missing link for remote therapy and a more accurate telemedicine practice. The shoulder pacemaker provides an intuitive and easy to follow flow for use. You select the training protocol associated with the pathology, you select the level of difficulty, check and navigate the exercises, check the intensity of the stimulation, and then train and monitor the activity. It's effective, efficient, and increases productivity in a busy clinic. The device allows the clinician to customize the therapy or manually adjust the amount of stimulation in order to focus on a specific muscle group. The free mode allows the clinician to create and customize an exercise. They are able to set the stimulation angle, the start and stop angle, the type of ramp, starting angle, and the number of reps in series. This feature will help to improve and develop exercises to provide the very best care to all patients. The manual mode is used when the intensity and frequency may need to be increased or adjusted to help with a specific condition. Here you see the list of all the clinician's patients at a glance. The user is able to see key metrics of a patient's progress, including their level of achievement, total number of exercises, the previous week's progress, and a green or red face to check on a patient's progress and compliance. The green face not only indicates the patient is doing their homework, it also indicates they are doing it correctly and staying on track. The device allows the clinician to select between a database of available and programmed exercises to create a customized rehab protocol. In a straightforward plug-and-play flow, you can navigate the exercise database, select the one you think is most appropriate, and choose the protocol to be used for an optimal and specific treatment for each patient. So in summary, the shoulder pacemaker is not a traditional electromuscle stimulator. It is MAS, Motion Activated Stimulation technology, able to dynamically interact with the patient while offering the clinician the possibility to remotely treat and monitor all of their patients. The outcome of the treatment is measured in real time during treatment and can be assessed any place and at any time. It is also a platform that will provide the user with the ability to download a variety of treatment protocols and best practices developed by experts from all over the world. And you have the ability to create your own revolutionary protocols that can be shared and accessed worldwide by every user of the Shoulder Pacemaker platform. All of this in a remarkable device called the Shoulder Pacemaker.